In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out an image in Photoshop. We'll be using Adobe Photoshop on the web to quickly isolate part of an image using the selection tools. This is a simple method that works well when you want to separate a subject from its background or remove a specific object from the image. To begin, go to Adobe Photoshop in your browser. Once the page loads, click on Sign In. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred sign-in option. Just select the method you normally use to access Adobe and complete the sign-in process so you can get into the editor. After you're signed in, look for the option that says New with a plus icon and click it. This opens the menu for starting a new project. From there, click on Upload File. Then choose Upload from Computer so you can bring in the image you want to edit. Browse to the file on your device, select it, and wait a moment for Photoshop to open it in the workspace. Once your image is loaded, go to the top or side panel and click on Select. This will give you access to Photoshop's selection tools, which are designed to help you highlight parts of the image for editing. Next, choose Quick Selection. This tool is especially useful because it can detect edges and textures as you paint over an area, making the process much faster than selecting everything manually. Now start brushing over the object you want to remove. As you paint, Photoshop will automatically expand the selection and try to follow the edges of the object. Use steady strokes and work gradually, especially around detailed areas like hair, curves, or anything with uneven edges. If the tool grabs too much, slow down and make smaller brush movements so the selection stays more accurate. The main idea here is to carefully cover the area you want Photoshop to identify. Take your time during this part, because a cleaner selection will give you a better final cutout. If needed, zoom in closer before brushing so you can be more precise around the edges. That small extra effort can make a big difference in how natural the result looks. And that's the basic process for cutting out an image in Photoshop using the Quick Selection tool. Once your object is selected, you'll be in a good position to continue refining or removing it, depending on your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.